My name is Keith Jones. I'm Director for the Institution Civil Engineers Wales Cymru. My job is to look after the civil engineers based in Wales. We represent over 91,500 members around the world. The Institution Civil Engineers has very strong policies and procedures in relation to diversity. I'm very proud to have this change. We need to be doing more to promote our diversity action plan. Now, this action plan has specific targets. We need to make sure that everybody out there knows how exciting a career it is. It's not just muddy boots on site. Then we design, we plan, we manage the whole fabric of society. Civil engineering is a very rich and rewarding career for all. Whether you're project managers, whether you're designing, whether you're involved in environmental issues. Do you know, for example, that you can go to college and you can take back a real rewarding time when you're in college, when you leave, and right throughout your life. Increasingly we see what we need to be doing is promoting this around to make sure that teachers, the parents know about these exciting opportunities. We are very, very happy to try and change this imbalance that we have. Did you know, for example, we've been around for almost 200 years and yet we have one female president across since 1818. That's really not good enough and we need to be doing more. The Institution of Civil Engineers, particularly here in Wales, is a very strong supporter of Chwarae Teg. Now, we're doing this because we need to change the gender imbalance as I see it. Now, you'll obviously all be aware that the population around the world, around the country, or certainly here, is something like 51% of the population are female, and yet we in Wales, we have just under 10% of the population are female engineers, and we need to do something to address the imbalance. It's not a matter of changing the jobs that we're doing to make them available, it's to make sure that out there everybody knows what a rewarding career for all becoming a civil engineer is.